Hello and welcome to Technic Force tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create subscription form in PursueApp. When you log into your PursueApp account, go to Forms tab on the left navigation menu. Start by clicking on the plus button located in the bottom right corner. Give this form a title. Let me have Form Demo as an example. Select the type of this form. Subscription forms can be embed or pop-up. If you want to just attach your subscription form to your domain, you can just choose this embed type form. You can also choose a pop-up subscription form if you want to. In my case, I'll have it embed. In this show to your lead section, it is important to vary it to the type of form you choose. For example, if you choose embed type of form, it is recommended to select yes, so that the subscription form remains where you positioned it in your site. On the other hand, if you select pop-up type of form, it is recommended to select no, so that the pop-up will not appear again for those who already subscribed. Enter action URL. If you want to have an action URL where your subscribers will be directed after they successfully subscribed, you can just add your URL here. In my case, I'll toggle this on and add my URL. Select your list. In this case, you can only select one, as it will be the list where your subscribers will be added. If you are using pop-up subscription form, you can choose the delay time here to make the form visible. If you select 5 seconds, the subscription form will appear within 5 seconds. I'll have it 0 as I choose embed type. Lastly, enter your domain. This is the site that you are using to add this form. I'll have it jitforlife.in as my example site. You can also add more website if you want to. Just enter each line to separate them. When everything is done, click on Save. After you save this form builder button appears. Click it to finally customize your subscription form. It has different fields. It has the basic field, advanced, layout, and the data where you can add in your desired subscription form. It is so easy as all you need to do is to do the drag and drop method. For example, I'll add this text field under basic. The label would be name. It is actually the text that will appear in your form as shown in this preview on the right hand side. And the placeholder will be enter your name. The next thing that we need to do is to go to API. This property name is one of the most important things in this form, as the data that we will get in this field will be added in the list according to the property name. Let me have this name. So I have now the name field. I also want to get their email address. So let's go to advanced section and drag the email field. Label would be email, and the placeholder would be enter your email. Let us go to API. Again, make sure it is labeled as email in small letters. Let's save it. I have now the name and the email field. The next thing that I want to add is the section where my subscribers enter their feedback, comments, inquiries, and everything. So let me drag this text area field under basic. Label would be description, and the placeholder will be say something. Again, go to API, and this time you can name the property name to whatever you want, as this is a custom field. In my case, I'll have it description. Save it. The last thing that I want to add is a checkbox. So let me add the checkbox field, and I will label it with a question. 1. To get promo emails in the future. Again, go to API. And since this is still a custom field, you can name it anything. and then save it. So this is now the subscription form I made. You can also add more if you want to. If you are now happy with that, click on the check button. We will be able to see the form code. So let us copy it, as we will use this when adding the form to our website. We will go to our website builder. In my case, I am using the Elementor from WordPress. So let me add this HTML and drop it here. Then paste the form code. I will go to my website and reload it. My form is now added. If you also want it to be pop-up, you can just go to the form you created. Change the type as pop-up and select No. You can also add a delay time. I'll have it 5 seconds. Save it. Reload it again. The form now pops up. Perfect, isn't it? Just a little reminder, when adding subscribers to your list through the form that you made, make sure that you also vary to this email verification field. Remember that you can verify emails automatically before it will be added in your selected list. If you also don't want subscribers that are invalid and spammers to be added, you can toggle on these buttons. I hope you find this video helpful. We also have a bunch of tutorial videos and demos on this channel. Take a look, and you might also find tutorials about the other apps too, which might help you succeed in internet marketing. Thanks for watching!